Okay, guys, welcome in to this evening's live stream. Crypto info, blockchain made easy with your host, Frank the Crypto Tank. Welcome in. We are going to get into some very, very quick. Uh, sorry, this thing keeps doing this. It's just fine. We're going to get into some. Uh, let's see some prices. Bitcoin's in at 109,218. Ethereum's at 2,557. XRP at $2.30. Down 1.17 on the day. And Cardano is down just a bit, 0.04%. Hanging in at 75 cents. Stellar Lumen XLM at 28 cents. Hedera Hashgraph at 18 cents. And let's see. Ondo Finance coming out at 93 cents. And okay, VChain coming in at 2 cents. So that's a quick look. Let's take a look at Fear and Greed's at 69. We have a $3.42 trillion cryptocurrency market cap. And right now, let's I had a few news stories up as usual. For some reason, I can't figure out how to. Let's get my XRP partnership with banks. Here we go. So, we're gonna run over. Just gonna show you a few of these. Uh, Banks that XRP is partnered with: Santander, American Express, Bank of America, PNC, JP Morgan. You see them all. SBI Remit, SBI Holdings or Remit. I think it's SBI Holdings is second largest in Japan. Uh, Second largest bank in Japan. Swiss, UBS, uh, Standard Charter in the UK. So, and I think something like 1,700 NDAs that can't be discussed right now that Ripple has, using with banks, using partnerships with banks, using on-demand liquidity or their ODL solution. So I had a bunch, which is fine, a bunch of news for you today. There's actually really not much. I just had a couple articles to go over today. We do not need to be doing that though. That is fine. I'm gonna get back to getting back to full screen here. All right. Finally understanding how to use my equipment. So, in the cryptocurrency world, um, we're all kind of waiting. We're waiting for the next leg up here. And I wonder if I should finish my where I was on the timeline for how, I mean, there's so much that could be left out, but how crypto started from the beginning. Just one particular path I took from back then to now, or to almost now. I think I'm probably a few years back or so as far as getting us up to current. On the track I was on this morning on the live stream, trying to explain kind of like the history of crypto and how it started. That's what I'm trying to say. Well, I kind of finished that. Or we can get into something maybe a little more not fun, but fun. A little more. Let's see. Let's just take a look at a couple of these. Um, let's take a look at XRP, for example. Okay. All right. So guys, there's not really a hell of a lot of news. I think everybody knows the whole $3 billion Trump plan. Let's grab an article on that real quick, and then I think that'll be good to almost kind of like start us off and finish us off. Let's see. Here we go. Let's grab CoinDesk's. Okay, Trump media seeks to raise $3 billion for crypto purchase. The capital raise would see the Trump linked firm joining a slew of public companies following the playbook of Michael Saylor's strategy, which is the, I guess, the borrow massive amounts of money and buy Bitcoin with it. Trump Media and Technology Group, DJT, is said to plan $3 billion capital raise to invest in crypto assets, according to the Financial Times. The company may announce the capital raise at this week's Bitcoin 2025 event in Las Vegas. The report said Trump Media shared plans to launch a financial services platform focused on crypto and exchange traded funds, or ETFs, and a partnership with crypto.com. DJT, the company that operates the social media site Truth Social, is planning to raise $3 billion to buy crypto assets. Huh. Okay. Interesting. The news comes as a growing roster of public firms are adding cryptocurrencies, predominantly Bitcoin, to their balance sheets, taking a page from Michael Saylor, helmed, taking a page from Saylor helmed strategy, MicroStrategy's MSTR, increasingly popular playbook. What a I'm sorry, that's me, but that's not really a great sentence. Come on. The software firm has become the world's largest corporate leader of the leading crypto asset, accumulating over 62 billion in BTC in its treasury by financing the purchases via a combination of equity and debt issuances. Trump Media shared plans earlier this week to launch a financial services platform focusing on crypto and customized exchange traded funds. It also said it wants to partner with crypto exchange crypto.com to launch the ETF products. I guess we'll just have to see. Very interesting. All right, guys, not really a lot going on. Please make sure you go ahead and check out Caleb and Brown. You're going to want to make sure that you check these guys out and you get yourself signed up because you want to make sure you take advantage of Fireblocks custody, which is institutional grade custody that they use. They scour 14 liquidity providers for you. They're there for you 24/7 with your personalized broker. One-time fee that you pay. You might want to think about Caleb and Brown. Tap our link down in the description below to get yourself connected with Caleb and Brown. And we're going to tune out for the evening. We love you guys. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Info, Blockchain Made Easy with Frank the Crypto Tank. And we'll see you early tomorrow morning live. We go on about 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 to 5:15 Colorado time. Have a good evening, guys. Don't forget to tap that like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. And we love you guys so much. And we shall see.